Salam sejahtera. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests. Yang amat berhormat Tuan Lim Guan Eng, Ketua Menteri Pulau Pinang, who has been instrumental figure in the creation of Halal Penang, as well as also putting halal as our new frontier in the economic development of Penang. His Excellency Syed Hassan Reza, the High Commissioner of Pakistan, Yang Berhormat Datuk Haji Muhammad Rashid Hasnul, Timbalan Ketua Menteri Satu Pulau Pinang, Yang Berhormat Dr. Afif bin Bahauddin, Esko Kerajaan Negeri Pulau Pinang, Yang Berhormat Tuan Amiruddin Syari, Esko Kerajaan Negeri Selangor, Mr. Ruji Noda, the Consul General of Japan, Mr. Chong Charun Devastin, the Acting Consul General of Thailand, Dato' Haji Abdul Rafiq, the Honorable Consul General of Pakistan, Mr. Wajimullah Kundi, the Commercial Councillor of Pakistan, Mr. August Prino, the Council of Economic Consulate General of Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Tan Chi Kiang, the First Secretary of the Singapore High Commission, Mr. Eric De Lim from the Belgium Trade Commission Office, which is also a permanent feature in the last 3-4 Penang International Halal Expo and Conference. Yang Berhormat Wong Hong Wai, the Political Secretary to the Chief Minister and also the Adun for Air Hitam. Yang Berhormat Datuk Mansor bin Haji Osman, the MP for Nibung Tebal, as well as also the board member of Halal Penang. Yang Berhormat Zairil Khair Johari, MP for Bukit Bendera, as well as also board member of Halal Penang. Member of the board of directors, Tuan Haji Mat Sabu, Tuan Syed Umar Al-Sakaf, Tuan Haji Ghazali, Timbalan Setiausaha Kerajaan Negeri Pulau Pinang, Mr. Mansur Said, the Punjab Halal Development Authority representative, Mr. Zulfi Karim, the CEO and founder of the World Curry Festival, which is the additional new feature of the Halal Expo and Conference this year, alhamdulillah. And also, ladies and gentlemen, the World Curry Festival is brought to Penang, Malaysia, from Bradford, the curry capital of UK, to the curry capital of Malaysia, Penang, for the first time. Mr. Kishore Taylor, the CEO, the North East Lincolnshire Council, the leader of the delegation of Humber region, the Japanese delegation, which is also a new feature in this year Halal Expo and Conference. Dr. Wan Zawawi, Wan Ismail, CEO of PKINK. Ladies and gentlemen, ketua-ketua jabatan, Datuk Sri, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Yang Amat Berhormat Ketua Menteri Pulau Pinang dan juga tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang hadir bersama-sama dalam majlis perasmian Penang International Halal Expo and Conference yang ke-6. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome all the foreign delegation, all the foreign participants, and also the participants in this year, the 6th Penang International Halal Expo and Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, alhamdulillah, with all the blessing to Allah, we have managed to touch a new height in the Halal Expo and Conference this year. Last year, we had 250 booths taken up, but this year, we have 307 booths take up this year, alhamdulillah. So, the Chief Minister, the Right Honourable Chief Minister was telling me that probably we need the new venue to be ready fast because we are growing faster than what we have at the moment now. Ladies and gentlemen, last year we add on to Penang International Halal Expo and Conference the Battle of the Halal Chef or the Halal Chef Challenge. Alhamdulillah, this year is our second year and we have got 100% more contestants in the Halal Chef Challenge. And this year, our new additional feature of the Penang International Halal Expo and Conference, as well as mentioned earlier, is the World Curry Festival. Inshallah, we hope the World Curry Festival will be together with Halal Expo and Conference for the next year, and probably we are planning that by the year 2017, we would like to see World Curry Festival stand alone as an international festival, a permanent feature of the Penang international festivals that we have throughout the year, ladies and gentlemen. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang dihormati sekalian, industri halal di Pulau Pinang telah bermula sejak tahun 2008 apabila Yang Amat Berhormat Ketua Menteri melawat MIHAS ataupun di Malaysian International Halal Showcase di Kuala Lumpur dan melihat yang Pulau Pinang tidak mengambil bahagian di dalam MIHAS. Dan apabila beliau balik ke sini dan melihat memanglah industri halal di Pulau Pinang ini adalah di peringkat yang paling rendah. Dan dengan pandangan luas beliau untuk memajukan ekonomi negeri Pulau Pinang, kita telah menubuhkan Penang International Halal Penang PIH Development Sdn Bhd ataupun Halal Penang sebagai badan menerajui pembangunan halal di Pulau Pinang. And with that, we have moved forward and we have brand Penang to be the Halal Global Center. Alhamdulillah, up to now we have got our branding. We have got the result of our branding exercise. We see that a lot of the country that we have visited and we have work of collaboration is looking at Penang has a state, has an authority which can help them develop halal further globally. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, I would like to again congratulate and thank my team from Halal Penang and from my office, which has worked very hard, day and night, to make this event a success. Ladies and gentlemen, we look forward for next year event to be of a greater height, insyaAllah. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, sekali lagi saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada pengunjung-pengunjung dan juga kepada program-program yang kita telah undang khas untuk kita anjurkan bersama dengan expo ini. Dan insyaAllah besok di Eastern Hotel, tomorrow at Eastern Hotel we'll be having our conference which is entitled Halal Global Investment. And also di program di expo pada hari ini dan besok dan lusa kita juga ada beberapa program untuk pembangunan usahawan dan information on halal industry in Penang. Ladies and gentlemen, with that I would like to thank distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, who are present today to make this event a success. Terima kasih. Sekian, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.